Tracfone flip phones prioritize simplicity for contact management. To manually save a contact, press the menu button, typically the center key. Navigate to phone book or contacts using the arrow keys. Select Add Contact or New Entry. Enter the contact's name using the keypad's T9 predictive text. Press the number keys to spell out letters, e.g., press 2 for A, B, or C. Input the phone number. Choose to save the contact to the phone, internal memory, or the SIM card. If your model supports it, you can optionally assign a ringtone or photo to the contact. Current models can store up to 1,000 contacts. This direct method ensures reliability, especially for essential numbers. To import contacts on a Tracfone flip phone, start by inserting a SIM card that contains existing contacts. Then navigate to the phone book menu, select Options, and choose Import from SIM to copy all contacts to the phone's memory. Newer models support Bluetooth syncing for wireless transfer from compatible devices, though direct imports from email or cloud services are not available. For speed dial setup, select a saved contact in the phone book menu. Choose Set Speed Dial or Assign key, then press the desired number key from 1 to 9. Press the desired number key 1 through 9, as 0 is reserved for voicemail. Confirm the assignment. Most models support up to 9 speed dial slots. Speed dial and manual entry provide the simplest ways to manage contacts on Tracfone flip phones.